wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best tabletop cornhole games. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. This miniature kit from Trademark Innovations comes with 8 beanbags, so it can be set up and played just like a full-size version. Since they're not too heavy or too big for children's hands, little kids can get in on the fun too. The legs fold up for storage, but the surface is on the slick side, and it's a very plain design. At number 8, for a twist on the standard version, the premium flipin tabletop involves catapulting the bags rather than throwing them. Unlike many, the 2 smaller boards are attached to a large one, but they can be adjusted to put them closer together or farther apart. It arrives completely assembled and adjusts via an Allen wrench. However, it is quite expensive. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Elite Sports Junior combines 2 activities in one, since it offers a tic-tac-toe variation. Just flip the board over to try and outdo your opponent by getting 3 in a row. The main side has a basketball-themed print, so it's great for sports fans. It folds flat for storage and includes a carrying sack, but it comes with only 1 board. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Cornhole games, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Hasbro coinhole can be played with the included coins or using the change in your pocket, and any number of players can participate. It involves an unusual skill set that requires bouncing techniques. It includes a handy case for transport and instructions for several games. The boards are stackable for an extra challenge. Moving up our list to number 5. The boards in this model from Mainstreet Classics are equipped with carrying handles, making them easy to move around. And since they're lightweight, youngsters can set this up by themselves on rainy days. The surfaces aren't rough and the boards attach together with Velcro, but the bags could be more durable. At number 4, GoSports coinshot comes with 16 coins, so up to 4 players can join in the fun. Because the game involves bouncing at the target, not throwing, it's still exciting at short distances. Children of different ages can compete, and there's less risk of breaking something with this one. It features hand-sanded plywood and multicolored chips. However, it takes practice to get good at it. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you can jazz up your get-together by playing with the American Cornhole Association Official. It's offered in several handsome, patriotic options, including one with both Old Glory and fighter jets on it. It features an integrated score tracker and Stars and Stripes bags. There's a plain version too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Cornhole games, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the GSE Games and Sports Expert Toss Set features pieces crafted from solid pine, so even though they're small, they're relatively sturdy and stable. They have a handsome 2-tone finish. These fit easily in a backpack and come with red and blue bags. The set is affordably priced too. And taking the top spot on our list, the Buffalo Games Mini comes with everything you need to pass a fun and competitive afternoon, including compact boards with finger catapults, 8 diminutive bags, and a handy pouch for storing them. There are instructions too if you need help with the scoring. You get 2 counters and pegs, and it's all very lightweight and portable. It's a durable choice. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Cornhole games, or simply click beneath this video.